Beverly Natividad, Channel 5.
Okay. Yeah, we are on schedule. In fact, we are ahead of schedule. Instead of, well, I don't want to commit this early, but we're hoping that instead of taking us 15 months, we might be able to do it shorter. No? Now, it is proceeding. We have been able to clear the sidewalks. We've been able to remove the pedestrian overpass, and we realize the inconvenience, but this is part of the necessary inconvenience because of development. No? So we are on schedule.
So you said target is 15 months, and yet gaano natin ma-shorten yon?
We're trying to hit 12 months.
1 year na lang.
1 year.
So where do we attribute this? Itong bakit ma-shorten natin yung time ng construction?
Well, we're asking the contractors to bring in more equipment kasi naglalagay sila ng mga walls on this side. If they can do the walls on both directions at the same time, we think that the schedule could be substantially reduced.
Thank you. At tawagan naman natin si Nildo Apable.
Secretary, good morning. Sir, for clarification lang, Secretary, kasi ang isa sa pangunahing problema natin sa Metro Manila, yung mabilisang pagkakaroon po ng malalimang pagbaha kapag umuulan. Ang isa sa dahilan, yung marami kasing mga estero dito sa Metro Manila, ang tuloy na talagang pinatay. So nagkakaroon kasi, Secretary, ng turo-turuan. So sino po ba talaga anong ahensya po ba talaga ang nangangalaga sa mga estero? DPWH or mga local government unit na nakakasakop doon sa mga estero?
Ganito yan, unang-una, the principal flood control agency for NCR is MMDA. Okay? Now, kaya lang, nagtutulungan ang MMDA at DPWH in terms of addressing dun sa laki ng problema ng flooding. So, we have agreed with MMDA chairman that certain rivers, like upgrading of the Pasig River, we are doing that. No? If you see Pasig River from the mouth of Manila Bay all the way to Napindan, medyo maganda na yung mga walls noon. You can even see linear parks along Pasig River now. No? So we will continue to do that and move upstream to Lower Marikina hanggang Upper Marikina River. Tuloy-tuloy lang yan. Now, Kamanaba will continue to be the responsibility of DPWH for the next 3 years. Now, the problem that we have is our drainage system in the whole of NCR, dalawang klase, may national, may local. No? And you also have responsibilities of clearing esteros to the local governments. No? Now, meaning, dapat walang illegal occupants dyan. No? Now, if you'll notice, the combined efforts, una kami naglinis ng mga drainage mains that were on the national highways in NCR. Natapos na kami doon, MMDA then went into the other tributaries. No? So they've also been able to do substantial cleanup on the esteros in NCR. And that's why in the past rains, medyo may improvement. No? Now, I suggest you also look into the latest monitoring, flood control monitoring of MMDA, nandoon na, nakaset up na sila, so they're able to anticipate kung may certain volume of rainfall, alin-alin yung mga lugar na magbabaha at gaano kalalim. No? They continue to upgrade their system on that one. Now, aside from that, tumutulong din ang private sector sa amin. No? And that's why DNR Secretary Pahe is launching Adapt Estero, no? Para makatulong yung private sector together with the Pasig River Rehabilitation Commission led by Miss Gina Lopez. No? So, tuloy-tuloy yung trabaho riyan.
Secretary, panghuli na lamang. Ang DPWH po kasi ay isa sa palaging ipinagmamalaki ni Pangulong Noynoy Aquino pagdating sa pinag-usapan po yung paglaban sa graft and corruption. So, nung naupo kayo, mayroon kayong mga na-discovering mga proyekto na nabahiran po ng mga anomalya. Pwede po bang makahingi, Secretary, ng update? Ano na hong nangyari doon sa mga investigasyon, particular yung ilang proyekto sa Central Luzon at Region 8?
My principal role in DPWH is not graph busting, no? Kasi kung yan lang ang magiging focus ko, tatambak ang trabaho ko at wala akong magagawa ni isang kalye, no? So, my program is very clear. I have laid them down. I continue to repeat this. Kung may susulpot na problema because of complaints and so on, then we send immediately what we refer to as quality assurance unit that we have created to check ano nangyari riyan, no? Tama ba, sumunod ba sa specifications, get me all the documents on the bidding, sino mga bidders yan, sino district. And we also have internal audit that we continue to deploy, no? And we have called attention of district engineers. We have suspended district engineers and we continue to implement. Kung may mga findings na gagaling sa ombudsman, we continue to implement them, no? Now, tungkol dun sa nabanggit ni Pangulo dun sa unang sona niya that there were 19 contracts that were canceled, no? The projects were bidded out. We canceled the contract, we bidded out the contracts. And we were able to save over $1 million just by bidding all of those over $1 billion, no? This is a foreign assisted project worth $4.5 billion, no? They would have gone through all negotiated contracts, but we were able to stop the 19 that were pre-signed, no, when we assumed, no. So we canceled the 19 and we decided to bid out all of these projects, no. These are mostly all in Central Luzon, but also includes parts of Bicol, no. So we have been able to save, about 1.5 billion from the 4.5 billion, and that's why we were able to ask the foreign donor to allow us to increase the number of projects that were not included in the first listing, no? So nakadagdag tayo ng proyekto. Ito yung sinasabi kong quality of spending, no? Sisisihin ako dahil hindi ko ginastos yung buong 4.5. Pero nakapag-save ako ng 1.5 and we were able to do more projects, no? But economists will say, I am underspending the 4.5 billion, no? Kasi wala ngang qualitative analysis yun sa paggagastos, no?